Good day, everyone. I am Kalam Surya. Today, I will present a comparison of the shareholder and stakeholder model of corporate governance. Corporate governance plays an important role in how organizations are directed, managed, and held accountable. During this presentation, I will explain the two governance models, discuss their advantage and limitation, and use Tesla and Unilever as practical example to demonstrate how these models influence corporate decision making. I move to next slide. First, let's just understand what corporate governance means. Corporate governance refers to the system through which organizations are directed, controlled, and held accountable. It defines the relationship between shareholders, the board of directors, managers, employers, customers, suppliers, governments, and society. Effective corporate governance promotes transparency, accountability, and ethic decision making. It also helps organization achieve sustainable growth while maintaining the trust of investors and other shareholders. I move to next slide. The first governance approach is the shareholders model, which was strongly promoted by uh, economic Milton Friedman. According to this model, this primary responsibility of a business is to maximize shareholders' wealth while operating within legal and ethical boundaries. Management focus on increasing profitability, improving efficiency, and delivering high return of investors. One major advantage is that decision making becomes is straightforward because financial performance is the main uh, priority. However, excessive focus on short-term profit may reduce investment in employer welfare, sustainability, and corporate society responsibility. I move next slide. A good example of the shareholder model is Tesla. Tesla has invested heavily in innovation, electrical vehicles, technology, and expanding global production. These strategic decisions have significantly increased the company's market value and shareholder returns. At the same time, Tesla has faced criticism regarding employee welfare, workplace condition, and governance practice. This example demonstrates that while shareholder focused strategy can generate expectational financial success, it may also create challenging balancing the interest of other shareholders. I move to next slide. The second approach is a shareholder model. Unlike the shareholders model, this approach argues that organizations should create value for all shareholders, including employers, customers, suppliers, communities, governments, and the environment. Business adopting this model focus on long-term sustainability rather than only short-term profit. They invest in employees' development, ethical business practice, customer satisfaction, and environment responsibility, creating long-term organization realize and public trust. I move to next slide. A strong example of the stakeholder is Unilever. Unilever has integrated sustainability into its corporate strategy by promoting responsible sourcing, reducing environmental impact, and supporting community development. Rather than focusing only on immediate profit, the company aims to create value for customers, employers, investors, and society. These initiatives have strengthened Unilever's global reputation, improve customer loyalty, and support long-term business performance. This dem- demonstrate how stakeholder focused governance can contribute to sustainable comparative advantage. I move to next slide. When comparing these two governance models, several differences become clear. The shareholders model focuses mainly on profit maximization, financial performance, investment returns. In contrast, the shareholder model balance financial performance with ethical behavior, social responsibility and environment sustainability. While the shareholder model often emphasizes short-term financial outcomes, the shareholders models encourage long-term value creation for all factors involved. Therefore, both approaches have strength depending on an organization external objective. I move next slide. In conclusion, both governance model provide valuable perspective for modern organization. The shareholder model promote financial discipline and accountability, while the shareholder model support ethical leadership, sustainability, and long-term organization success. Today, many successful organizations combine eliminate both approach because they recognize that satisfying uh, stakeholders often contribute to strong financial performance. Thank you very much for your attention.